How to use a profile. Connect the test lung to the FlowAnalyser PRO. Connect the ventilator to the FlowAnalyser PRO. Tap Profiles. Choose a profile. Tap Apply and OK. Tap the Home Tiles icon and then Measurement. Glossary in this case. Ipap is equal to P peak. Epap is equal to PEEP. Ramp is equal to P channel. AF is equal to rate. Tip: tap Main menu to see the selected profile name. While measuring, modify the ramp value to see the change in the graph. The FlowAnalyser PRO instantly detects and shows the value change. Change other AirOx ventilator values and compare the AirOx ventilator values with the results of the FlowAnalyser PRO. You can see it in the graph and in the numerical values. Tip: extends the measurement timeline up to 60 seconds.